Saved from the trash. They made these free. They were 15 bucks, but they were clearing out at this warehouse, this place right here on Westhurst Boulevard. You don't see this every day, do you? This thing's pretty yellowed and got banged up a bit. Hope it's alright. Yeah, it's rough. Celeron D, it's an A1000. Serum band, that's where the compact monitor was made. The one I saved off the side of the road. That was made by Samsung. 40 gig hard drive, 5400 RPM. Oh, it was made in Mexico. That's cool. If it doesn't work, this thing was free. It used to be 15 bucks. But I came across this marketplace listing again, and it was free, so I said, why not? Ooh. Asus motherboard? Turbo brand power supply. Bestec power supplies are awful, as you probably know. No hard drive, typical. The caps look good. It's dirty. EVC fan, yeah, there's no hard drive, so that's too bad. Needs a good cleaning. P4GV-LA. Oh, it's been upgraded, look. Value select. Blew it out. Found the antenna for this wireless card, but it's completely deteriorated and falling apart. And I made an awful discovery. Yeah, look how hard that is to spin. Not good. No, that's nice. That could cause it not to turn on. Or it just could be dead. You'd think if it didn't work, I'd quit pressing the power button. Why is this not working? Don't mind the squeaky chair that's in the background all the time. Yeah, the backlight's dead. I could see the thing right there. Or I could. Well, this was a fail. They wanted 15 bucks for this crap. Hi Pro, still made in China, but it's a really reputable name, so I think it'll work. Thought it didn't fit, but it helps to have the screws screwed in, and the last power supply only had 2 screws. Yes, it works. Did you hear that? That was the CPU fan. It's working! I took both RAM sticks out and put that one back in. Yeah, it's safe to say that stick of RAM's faulty. So we're only dealing with... Oh, a gig. I forgot this had 2 gigs. We have 1 gig now. The fan's not even loud. Ooh, nice. I love that boot screen. The BIOS here. That looks great. Don't mind the dust. 2.66 gigahertz. Finally get to see this boot screen. This BIOS screen on a CRT in real life. It's not really reproducing the colors that great. The camera's not. So yeah, there's the BIOS. This thing works. I think I'll keep it on for a while just in case. Let it run for a while.